I'm also going to show you a few other exercises which will help you to practice reduced breathing. So one of them, which is an excellent exercise actually to stop many symptoms, especially cough. And I call this exercise shell breathing. So you put your palms together like this, very simple. And you imagine that this is a shell. And then or a mask, you could call it this way if you want to. And then you put this mask, this shell, around your nose, around your face, like this. And you simply start breathing through your palms, relaxing into that feeling of breathing class. So and if it feels too much for you, then open up your palms a little bit, make it a little bit easier for yourself, and then close them again, open them and close them. But if you can keep the shell closed all the time, it's much better. And of course, as always, make sure that you are tall, your shoulders are opened, and you are not sitting in this position.